Among contemporary popular level atheists, there is a great deal of confusion about the so-called burden of proof. The claim by these popular level atheists is that theism is a positive claim. There is a God. And that therefore the theist uniquely bears the burden of proof in demonstrating that. The atheist, by contrast, they claim has nothing to prove because he makes no claim and therefore has no burden of proof at all. Well, this, unfortunately, is just a misunderstanding of atheism. Atheism most certainly does make a claim. Atheism is the claim, there is no God. And that is just as much a claim to knowledge as the claim, there is a God. And therefore, if one is to be justified in holding to that belief, one must have some sort of reasons or evidence in support of that. And if the atheist has none to offer, then he's taking it by faith, which is what he blames the theist for. It turns out it's really the atheist that is taking his position by faith. So both of these are claims to knowledge and therefore require justification and argument and evidence to support them. Now, some atheists try to get around this by redefining what atheism means. They would say atheism is not the claim there is no God. Rather, they would say that the word atheist should be interpreted in the way, say, the word amoral is. That doesn't mean immoral, it just means not moral. So they would say, I'm an atheist. I'm not saying there is no God, I'm just not a theist, I'm an atheist. Unfortunately, this claim, besides being idiosyncratic, trivializes atheism. Because in that case, atheism isn't a view, it's just a description of the psychological state of the person you're talking with. He lacks a belief in God. And the triviality of that can be seen by the fact that babies on this account then are atheists, since presumably they don't have a belief in God. In fact, our cat, Angel, is an atheist. It turns out that the Craigs have two atheists living with them in their house because neither of our cats have the belief in God. So this is really to trivialize atheism. Even if we give to the atheist his idiosyncratic definition, then we'll just say, well, let that be atheism, then schmatheism is the view that there is no God. So what I want to know is there any justification for schmatheism in that case? And then the whole debate just starts all over again. So in making a claim to knowledge and making a claim to know something, whether it be that there is a God or that there is no God, a person needs to have justification, and that will involve giving evidence and argument.